Millen Senpai, and this is my first video request. Somebody wanted me to show them how I made my beat, Versace Bands, which is a Playboi Carti, Lil Tracy, Thousand Band type beat. So first off, let me see, I'm using a different computer, which don't have all my plugins in it. So I'm pretty much making a bootleg version of the beat I already made. So first, I'll start with like the main chord progression. Let me show you this. I already start here because you can build up like your melody by using the ghost notes. After that, I went for this type of sound, like a trance type of sound. Which all I did was just copy and paste the notes, but make this stand out more. You know, most like Playboi Carti type beats, they got like a woodwind to be like the main sound you hear throughout it. Hold on. And this the little melody I made for it. And all I did was just look at the ghost notes and add notes to them. See, it's kind of catchy, and it's like it's a good sound. It got that Pierre bourne type sound to it. But look, I know you're thinking, this don't sound nothing like the beat I just heard. Well, because let me show you. This is a completely different laptop that I use to make videos with, and I don't have all my plugins because it's too much space. So I use the sync oboe to make the little woodwind sound. I use purity to make the little trance sound that you hear throughout the beat. I use atmosphere for that first piano I showed. I like to combine and use a different variety of VSTs because I just feel like you add multiple sounds that's not really used together make the beat feel kind of special. But let me take these off and actually add the sound. So I took like a minute and put like all the sounds in here, and they're gonna sound exactly like the beat, but it's gonna be like near, like very close to it. So let me show you the jump pattern. Okay. So you're going, okay, pattern one. First thing I did was the hi-hats, like always. The cloud. Nothing special. Then I'm on to the 808, which is I use the classic 808. That's like in the original trap kick. Hold on. go up a note. Simple. And I added a tambourine towards the end, towards the end of the beat. All to achieve bounce, what really makes the beat. So let me let you hear it. Now, when the verse comes in, like just like in my last video, I just cut off the 808s, cut off everything else, and just keep the hi-hats, the cloud, the crash. Repeat that twice, and I bring back in the main melody. And this is a very important part. Probably the most important part of the whole video. I switch it up. I just go up like an octave, just a little bit. And I do the same with everything else. I just make the octave go up. Also, that's important to like switch it up every now and then during the beat, so it's not just the same little pattern. Normally, I just make it go up just like an octave for just a little bit. Oh, and with the drums, I switched it up a little bit. Tick 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 clap clap. Tick 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 clap clap. Tick 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 clap. Tick tick tick. Just a different drum pattern. It's just so it don't sound basic. Then right here, I take out the drums completely. Right here, I did a tape stop. Then I made the beat. We like repeat twice. But if you want me to show you how I did that, I can do that in a different video. Oh wait. Let me mute all these. Okay. And I just repeat the same drum pattern I used earlier. lead off with me just taking out the drums and using a volume automation. Intro. Then the build up. Hook. Verse. The hook again. I switch it up. I do a taste stop. Hook again. Then the main melody without the drums. Before I end the video, I'm gonna start showing you like a FL Studio trick that you might not know. It's what I did in the intro right here. It's like a beat build up type thingy. I never seen anybody do a tutorial on it, so I'm just like, I might as well add it in here. All I did was go to my mixer and went to ghost beat, added ghost beat to the main mixer, and I went to 1/3 gate. Let me actually turn it on. And all I did was just, I turned this off, created an automation clip, and press ignite song with this position. So whenever I have it open, I actually do it. I'm actually recreated right here. So you gonna go to where you want where you want it to happen. So I want it to happen right here at 8. I'm gonna right click one of them, one right there. Then I'm gonna add another one right here. Then I'm gonna add another one right there, and another one right here. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what other type of video you want me to do. I will try to do at least one tutorial every month to show you something new. But thank you guys for watching the video.